2025 marks the final year of China's 14th five-year plan. High-quality development, a big highlight of Chinese economy, is making solid progress. At the ongoing two sessions, some national lawmakers and political advisors have shared their thoughts on how China advances high-quality development.
过去这一年，全国的高质量发展呢，也是取得了新的进展。这也支撑了我们中国式现代化的建设。高质量的发展一定要坚持，发展实体经济，始终把创新驱动作为第一动力我们发展的动力活力才会强。我们一定是要始终按照创新协调、绿色开放、共享这样的理念来抓发展。
新的生产力，我觉得它首先要表现的是科技进步、创新过程中要表现出来高效，结果必须是，要这个品质要好，要绿色。要智能。
In terms of the high quality goals, I think we'll continue to strike a balance between the traditional growth drivers and the new quality productive forces. And I think we are really expecting making sure that there is a stable growth drivers empowered by the economic development, also by the innovation technologies.
高质量发展在2025年，包括未来相当长时间，都会是一个中国经济的一个很重要的主题吧。我们自己每个企业家也都在看自己的企业怎么样跟这个高质量发展、跟新质生产力更好的结合起来。
I really have high expectations for private companies in China, especially for high quality development, because private companies are much more dynamic. We have very strong government policy support for private companies. From the financial resources, from globalization policy, from talent support policy. So that make a really great foundation for private company development. I continue to expect private companies in China will make a great contribution to the Chinese economy and to the world economy.